Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by creating index, HTML and styles, CSS inside one project folder so paths stay simple. Open that folder in Visual Studio Code and confirm the file tree and UTF-8 encoding. Next, install or enable Live Server. This gives instant reloads while you edit. Once done, you'll open index. HTML in the editor and split the view if you like, which makes writing HTML and CSS side by side much faster. This is your first actionable move. You now modify index. HTML. Inside the head element, add a link tag with rel equals stylisheet and href pointing to your styles. CSS. Use a relative path, /styles. CSS if in same folder or CSS/styles. CSS if nested, because absolute paths break locally. Make sure the file name, extension, and letter case match exactly. Operating systems can be case sensitive. Once the link is added, save both files and switch to the live server preview so you can see style changes applied immediately. You finish by validating that styles. CSS actually loads. Open the browser DevTools, check the network or elements panel, and confirm a 200 status for the CSS file. If styles don't appear, hard refresh or clear cache, then restart live server. Make sure rel is stylisheet, the path is exact, and there are no typos. If you still see plain HTML, inspect console for MIME errors or 404. Those clues pinpoint whether the issue is path, server, or file naming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.